Hey guys, it's me, Chris. So today we are in my room and I'm straightening up my room, which I have clothes everywhere and things everywhere, but that's okay. I'm gonna get that straightened. My main tackle is my closet, this shoe area, and trying to go through clothes that I don't really need anymore. And I've already gotten rid of some shoes that I don't wear anymore, or some shoes that were a little bit too old. And then I'm probably gonna get rid of those boxes right there that you guys are seeing and get a shoe rack, and then try to figure out the upper level up here, because as you can see I have, you know, comforters, jeans. That's what we're gonna be doing, getting this closet together. These have to go. So as you guys can see, I have cleared out the boxes and all of the shoes that were underneath here. These are a pair of shoes that I will be giving away. They're too small for my feet, unfortunately. These are the shoes that I actually decided to keep. So just 3 pairs of sneakers. I know. This one little pair of like loafer kind of shoes. Some stilettos. I will be keeping these out here until I actually get my rack and put everything together. So here I'm showing you guys some of the clothes that I will be donating or giving away. And then this is my pile over here that I started. These are all the ones that will be thrown away. Either they have stains, or they're looking a little bit too dingy, or they're just not my style anymore. Hey guys, just came back from Walmart. So I spent about $22 or $23. I just got this Mainstays 30 pair shoe organizer. It said it has easy assembly on it, so I am crossing my fingers because I don't really like to put things together. So hopefully it is, you know, as easy as it says on the box. And then I also got just one clear organizer. It took me about 25 minutes to build it, you know, just because I had to put all the screws together, the bottom, make sure I had everything right. I was reading the instructions. It was easy, like it said, you know, gave me all the tools necessary. And it gives you a little part up here that says top, so you know that this is the top part, and then down there is the bottom. This is what the hanging piece over my door looks like, and this is what I've consolidated down to. And now the drum roll for the closet. Okay, so there go the shoes. As soon as you walk in, underneath here I have my shredder and one of my laptop covers. Just the bins with the clothes that I have left so far. Some new pieces over here on this side. The rest of the empty hangers back here. I bought some new towels, some new washcloths. This bag from Macy's just has like some documents in here. I only kept 2 hats, a green one and a black one. The fan, I'm gonna keep it in here because there's enough space in here for that, so I'm gonna keep the fan in here. My sweaters and my little cardigans, my jackets. These are some of the jeans that I'm down to now. That's my travel pillow. And in here I put some comforters. The rest of my home stuff in here, and then my duffel bag. On this side, I just have the rest of my long sleeves. Some of my nicer tops in there. Some skirts and some pants and some other shirts. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeover really quickly of my closet. If you have any ideas or any suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you think that I should get a rug, oh yeah, that's a stain right here. I tried to get that out, but that wasn't happening. So if you guys have any ideas, like for right here, if you think I should put a rug and what kind or whatever, you know, comment down below. Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.